about that. Haryana in the Congress's pocket as of now. The BJP has given a fight according to the leads that are present on our screen at this moment. But the Congress is home past the halfway mark in Haryana on its own. Good decision not to go with the Aam Aadmi Party. The strategy has worked. Bhupinder Singh Hooda comes back. In Jammu and Kashmir, advantage Congress and National Conference at this moment. The BJP and its independent strategy at the moment seems to be on the back foot. But Siddharth, do you expect something?
Well, what's interesting as far as Jammu and Kashmir is concerned, Navika, is that the BJP appears to be punching above its weight, at least in the valley. We spoke about how the BJP is currently leading in Lal Chowk. It also happens to be leading in Bandipora as well, another valley seat. However, what's troubling the BJP as far as Jammu is concerned is that it appears to be not doing so well, where there is a fairly high concentration of Muslim vote, especially in Rajouri as well as Poonch, which is the Pir Panchal range. Now, the BJP would have hoped to actually do well there because it's actually reached out to the tribal communities in those two constituencies as well, in those two regions. However, that appears to not have paid dividends as far as electoral results are concerned. In Riyasi, it's the Jammu and Kashmir Panthers party that's leading. Bashiruddin is leading from Riyasi. In Kishtwar, one of the victims of terrorist violence, in fact, she is the niece as well as the daughter of two victims who were killed by the Hizbul Mujahideen. She is currently leading in Kishtwar.
Well, that's also a story that needs to be told, of what's happening in Kashmir. But look at the numbers. 90 leads in, 48 to the Jammu, 48 to the National Conference and Congress Party, BJP 30, PDP 3, others, independents at 9 and independents holding the key. That calculation at the moment doesn't seem like it's holding for the BJP.